Okay, so here we go. So today I will show you how to do Michael Jackson karate dance moves. But uh, first notice that it's not exactly how Michael Jackson do it. I will just like replicate yeah, and show you the basic and the essential things how to do it, because you have to break it down to smaller dance moves, as I told you in many videos before. So it happens with this kick, but Michael just do it with not that kick like this, but and then and then you and then he turns to this position. You see when he move and see, and then you have to do it like this. Okay, you see. So I will do it slow and as easy as possible. So you have to walk here, and then you do it like here. Okay, so that's one. Okay, and then you go like this, go like this. So for the shoulder, you have to do it with from up to down. Okay, okay, and then you put, and you like a knife. Okay, so that's kind of starting position. Okay, so see, so here, and I must say that Michael Jackson just do these moves kind of naturally. So it pop up in his head and he feel the music. So it's just not it's not a fixed routine. Okay, so don't don't have don't be hard to yourself. You can do it like this. Okay, like this. Ha. Okay, see. So it you can improvise it. Okay, so see, so let's break it down. Okay, so you have the kick, you have the shoulder, and you have the leg like this. Okay, so it is just a combination of the shoulder up and then do like this. Okay, so and then you ha, ha, and then ha, ha. Okay, so just like you are attacking someone. Okay, okay, so like this. Okay, okay, so ha, 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 ha. So you can see it's about the combination. Okay, I do it like this, and then you move it. Ha, 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 ha. See? Perfect. Then you kick. See? So that's all for now. Okay? Enjoy.